floating or head or anything.
All I can say is that's some crazy and awesome evidence.
This place, I think, is one for the books, guys. And that peripheral thing, man, that thing worked out great, Chasing, since you're kind of the brainchild of this.
And she's a dwarf bunny when it's the smallest bunny.
Castillo in the background. We got to wear shorts for the first time in forever.
Sure do wish we were still in Florida.
Sorry about TV notes.
Yeah, I brought back a gator. Let's go wrestle.
Do it. You ain't brought back a gator.
I did. I ain't even looked in the back of the truck. I like the gators.
Thank you, bunny. Hey, what you doing? Got it.
Tonight, we travel to Jefferson City, Missouri to investigate the
What is it? What is it? Yeah? Oh yeah, this is Hershey, and this is Bandit. Bandit, want Pretty Bird? Look at Pretty Bird. Look at Pretty Bird. He does not like you putting fingers near his cage at all. Still up there? Still? Yeah? 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 Okay. Any more? Any more? Any more? Uh-huh. We need to clean your mirror. Yeah, we do. Yeah, you think so too? We need to clean your mirror. Yeah? You're an alarm bird. Talk to the camera.
So they're not allowed because these spirits don't care if you get scared.
Boom.
It's got my leg sprung.
Okay then. So they can see you better, hush. And you walk near it, and it goes. Yep.
Well, here we are.
See, it'll just sit there.
You got something about another prison?
There's nothing like that.
Our best evidence there.
Oh, yeah, man. Prisons are always.
This is her. This is the he. He doesn't like it when he gets near him. When he gets near him. At all. At all. He does not like that. I'm not. He still doesn't like me touching his cage. Okay, you don't want to shut? Oh, you hit your head on the bell? You got quiet? Yeah? Uh-huh. You made it. You know, look at Pretty Bird. Oh, is that Pretty Bird? Is that Pretty Bird? Is that Pretty Bird? He's looking at it from the side. There's a mirror right there. Head playing with toys. And if he doesn't want you to see him, he'll stick his head in the bell. Oh, you didn't like that. And why? Really? 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 I'm touching it. I'm touching it. I'm touching it. I'm touching it. Oh, I'm touching this. I'm touching this.
It kind of makes me wonder.
You don't like
Are they
it.
still roaming?
You're loud.
They definitely don't deserve that privilege
You want-
at all.
Want me to keep it open or closed?
Who's very familiar with
Do you want me to keep the bird cage open or closed?
history and the paranormal activity here. So I'm hoping maybe he can shed some
The money
light
will hop out.
who's maybe still
He's out
coming
close.
around and where.
The young's there and watch it.
I'm gonna go with me, man.
He does not like that. Got on the back of it.
You guys wanna hit the other part, man? We'll get in here and
The bunny's just sitting there like,
let's
what?
do it, boys.
Good luck, guys.
The Missouri State Penitentiary, it's a scary place, and it had more than its share of death and destruction in it.
Even though this prison closed its doors back in 2004, it said that many of the prisoners are still here, even in death, carrying out their sentences.
Are you watching it?
head like this. I turned around, I wasn't anybody that quick.
Missouri State Pen seems to be filled with evil, especially death row, where Chasey and I are headed to visit cells 19 and 20, where it's said Bonnie and Carl were held before their execution. Newton and Brennan are checking out Housing Unit 4, said to be one of the prison's most haunted locations. Hopefully Porter's contact can give us the answers we need to make the afterlife miserable for these dark spirits.
Porter, hi. Good to meet you.
Very good to meet you.
Welcome to Missouri State Penitentiary.
Well, thank you for meeting me out here. What do we have here?
These are the pictures of the 39 men and one woman that were executed here between 1937 and 1989.
Wow. I've heard about Bonnie Hetty and Carl Hall. Can you tell me about them?
Carl toyed with this idea for years to kidnap a wealthy family's child and collect the ransom money, so he meets this woman named Bonnie Hetty. Both of them were severe alcoholics, and he convinces her to go into this kidnapping plan with him. But she went into a Catholic school where little Bobby Greenleaf was a student. He was a 6-year-old boy. She goes in and tells the nuns his mom's had a heart attack and is asking for him. And so they went and got Bobby, brought him out of his classroom, and he walked up and took her hand like he'd known her forever. So they walked out the front door, and he was dead in less than an hour later.
Wow.
Wow. The family, not knowing Bobby is dead, is in phone contact with these kidnappers who keep calling to arrange the ransom and to convince them to pay. After the third attempt, they finally get a hold of the money. They panic and they take off for St. Louis. And when they catch up with Carl, he's been using a chauffeur. Well, that chauffeur has connections to a couple of cops, and those are the two that make the arrest. Half the ransom money at this point disappears, and it's never been found.
Oh, wow.
Bonnie, when she was being investigated by the detectives, several times they asked her, why did you do what you did? Well, I did it out of love. And when they went into the gas chamber together, he had lipstick on his face. She still loved him.
Was there ever any remorse expressed by either one of them?
Remorse at being caught.
Let's see if we can head over and talk to Carl and Bonnie. It's kind of weird looking at the same floor, the same walls that people were looking at when they were thinking about nothing but dying. Cell 20. This is either Bonnie or Carl. Bonnie or Carl. Can you come over to these devices that we have and touch one of them for us to let us know that